In this quick video, I will show you how to use remote control in Microsoft Teams, including how to request or give remote access to your mouse and keyboard. When someone grants remote control in Teams, the other participant can only control the shared screen or window. For example, if you share a window containing a Word document, the participant with control cannot switch to any other app on your desktop. When you give control, the other participant can type, edit, navigate with their mouse, and make changes on your shared screen. Before giving control in Teams, you must share your screen. After sharing, open the menu on the sharing toolbar, click Give Control, and choose the person you want to give access to. To take back control, click Take Back Control in the same menu. To request control in Teams, wait until another participant shares their screen. Click the Request Control button to ask for access. When you're done, click Stop Control to end the session on your side. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.